Today we're going to be changing the transmission fluid and external filter on an Allison 1000 transmission. You're going to need a 15mm socket and 2 gallons of TES 668 transmission fluid and a spin-on filter. You're going to start by lifting the vehicle. Go ahead and remove the drain plug with that 15mm socket. Make sure you have an oil drain pan handy to drain the fluid into. In here you can inspect the transmission fluid to see the quality of it. Go ahead and remove the spin-on filter on the transmission. Once the filter is removed, you're going to want to go ahead and take off the magnet off of the filter and clean it thoroughly to make sure there's no debris left on the filter magnet. Go ahead and clean the sealing surface and install a magnet onto the transmission. We like to write our date and mileage on our filters to make sure that we know when the transmission fluid was last changed. Now you're going to take clean transmission fluid and put it on the O-ring of the sealing surface on the filter. Go ahead and spin that onto the transmission there. Once the O-ring makes contact with the sealing surface, you're going to want to hand tighten it one full turn. Go ahead and tighten the Allison drain plug and fill with 2 gallons of Transcend synthetic transmission fluid. Once filled, you're going to go and start the vehicle. You're going to run it through each gear. Go ahead and check the transmission fluid while the truck is still running. This is going to be the cold check. You're going to want to see it within the cold section of the dipstick here. Once the truck is up to temperature, you're going to want to go ahead and check the transmission fluid level again. Right at 170 degrees, you want to be at the lower portion of the hot section on the dipstick.